Hey, what's up?
Hello.
My name's Clayton J.
Hello.
And we are at the apple orchard. We had to park all the way down there. The apple orchard's all the way down there. They only opened like 3 hours ago, and we parked literally like 2 miles away. You can't even see. Yeah, we can't even see the apple orchard yet. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. It actually looks beautiful though. I'm actually gonna take a moment to look around. It actually looks pretty cute. I was actually like pretty. Now when you look at it. Alright, we're getting going. This is the first time at the apple orchard in like
2 years.
Yeah, now probably longer.
2 or 3.
I don't even think I was. No, I think it was like 5 years.
No.
Oh, we went to one. Yay.
Like
we haven't went to this one for like 5 years.
Yeah.
This one.
4 years.
And this one's like the main one, like the best one. So
yeah, that's why they have like millions of parking lots.
Yeah. We are on a hayride, guys. Well, I wouldn't call this a hayride. This is funnier than I thought it would be. This is behind us.
I would not call it. It is funny. It is funny.
So look, guys, look all around. There's not that much. There's a maze right here. Right there.
Hey, let's go to
the corn maze. That's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna go through the corn maze.
4 acres.
All right, Allison, you ready?
I feel like everyone is split. Let's go this way.
Okay.
I don't think we'll ever make it out of here.
I mean, it is kind of dead though. Like I could just walk right through
Oh,
it.
we all just met up.
Oh. Huh. And here it is. We're in the corn maze. We are stuck.
You gotta wait. Like, please come help me.
Yeah, we gotta jump down. Come on,
I don't know how.
get down.
Can you come help? Why is all the hay sliding on it? Oh shit! And then now you come. And then now I go! Keep her down.
Oh, you're going too fast.
I don't think I'm going to.
Let me try it.
There's a spot over here, Chloe. Nobody's using it. Right there. Go there. Here.
We're at the pumpkin patch.
In my new sweater.
It's getting really hot out here and I have a jacket on. But yeah, we're at the pumpkin patch. A lot of pumpkins here. We just took some pics. And yeah, we're gonna get back on the hayride and go, I don't know where else. Maybe do what?
I just think everything looks good.
It does, but like in this, it looks pretty. All of the pumpkins look pretty. But in real life, they all look dead. I am not gonna lie, guys. We got this for free. Dude, this is how much? 14 bucks?
Yeah, we're literally in sharing.
This is 14 bucks, and some girl named Kelly in front of us had 2 kids. She had 3. She had 3 kids, and the kids were like acting up, and she's like, "We're going home." And she turned around to us and said, "My name's Kelly. You can take my order."
But she said Oreos, so I did not know what.
I didn't know what she wanted. She said Oreos, but this is not Oreo. This is awesome, bro.
Okay, I'll take it. No way. Oh, it's sticky because it goes all around the edge.
Oh, yep. How did we get so lucky?
Literally.
Today's been a really good ass
And I'm
day.
eating something
We haven't told them that, but we don't know. I didn't want to tell them that because I don't know if they're going to go through with it.
Hey, if you don't start eating it, I'm gonna eat it.
How crazy, bro! This is fucking 14 bucks. We got it for free. God, thank God, Kelly. Hey. Wow, that was crazy. We were just behind her for some. And we were actually standing in the wrong line because we haven't even ordered yet, and we were standing in the pickup order because it was so confusing down there. We were literally just standing right there. That's crazy, bro.
Are you ready? Because I'm so hungry.
I'm ready.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna ruin it.
Wait, I want to take a sip.
It's so good.
Oh, that's banging, bro. We were so hesitating on buying it too because.
Oh, we did not waste. This is an ass
$14 for this. Like we were about not to get it, and then
literally
we got
started to look at other places like so we just go here.
Crazy how we got this for free. Easy.
Oh yeah, that would make sense.
Taking off our shoes, and we're going into the.
Orfeo.
Is that a slide?
Yes. But there's a line, but we'll wait. Oh my god.
Oh, look, guys. Get a massage. Really? Wait, I'm making sure I have everything. Look, guys, we're literally in corn.
All right, Clayton is roping a steer. He can't even get on. Okay. What about the rope now, Clay?
It's connected.
Clay.
I don't understand.
This is so sad. Oh my god. Okay, go. You didn't even do it once.
Yeah, I'm not made for the country.